grounding requirements state that a system operating at less than 50 volts and fed by a supply system of more than 150 volts must be grounded. However, the code does not specify how the secondary side of the transformer should be grounded. There are two common options for grounding the secondary side of a transformer. Firstly, grounding to the transformer enclosure. If the transformer enclosure is grounded, the secondary side can be grounded by connecting a grounding wire from the transformer enclosure to the exit sign's grounding terminal. Secondly, grounding to a separate electrode. A separate grounding electrode, such as a ground rod or buried plate, can be installed specifically for the secondary side of the transformer. A grounding wire would then be connected from the electrode to the exit sign's grounding terminal. Concrete is generally not a reliable grounding electrode. It is not conductive enough to provide a low resistance path to ground. Objectionable current refers to the amount of stray or leakage current that can accumulate on the surface of equipment or other conductive objects. The code limits objectionable current to prevent shock hazards and interference with other electrical systems.